If I lose absolutely everything in my business, all I need is an email address. Not only to get back in the business, but to absolutely crush it. And that's what all the businesses need. They need an email address. So in this video, I'll help you understand why you need to start email marketing, how you can make money from just a single email address, even if you don't have any product to sell. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'll give you some amazing bonuses that can skyrocket your business. So without further delay, let's jump into the topic. Hi, my name is Mohammed and I help people make money online. If that is something that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel. That will really motivate me to make more amazing videos like this. And I'm new to YouTube. Come on, show me some love, show me some support, guys. I started my online business when the pandemic started. I was so excited to start my online business. And when I finally launched it, it failed. I wasn't profitable for the first year. I was doing paid advertisement. And what I realized is 98 to 99% of the people who were visiting my website were just simply leaving it without buying any product. After spending thousands of dollars on advertisement, I was able to make a couple of $100 here and there. I was losing money. I was so frustrated. I was disappointed. I was about to give up. And I was telling this whole scenario to one of my good friends, and he told me, why are you not collecting email addresses when whoever is visiting your website? I was like, email addresses? They were like, email addresses. So I got more curious about it and started reading books and started taking online courses. I learned a lot of amazing things from those books and courses that I'll be sharing with you in this YouTube channel. But the most important thing that I learned is the power of email marketing. Like most of the new entrepreneurs, I was underestimating the power of email marketing, because I simply used to think email marketing is dead. But is it really dead, or is it just a myth? Let me tell you this. There are over 4.6 billion email addresses in the world. 4.6 billion. And 66% of the consumers said they bought something just because of an email. So if you are thinking email is dead, it's more alive than ever. In fact, it was just the sending of an email that invented the internet. So after learning these amazing things from the mentors, in the books, from online courses, I decided to make few tweaks in my online business. So the only thing that I did is I started collecting email addresses on the first page of my website, which we call it opt-in page. So I was still spending money on advertisement. I was 98 to 99% of the people who were visiting my website were still leaving. That did not change. But what I noticed is 50% of the people actually gave me their email address, whoever visited my website. So that means with that people, I can constantly communicate with. I was reminding them to buy, and then I waited. I waited for the sales to happen, and boom, my business was profitable. Since then, I've never stopped. So if you want to grow your business, you need to start email marketing. If you want the sales to happen on autopilot, you need to start email marketing. The most important asset in your business is the email list, because the people who are on your email list are not just the random people who likes and comments on your posts and not buy anything. These are the people who have trusted you and shared their email address with you. Let's just be honest, we don't like to share our email address with random people, right? We don't want to get spammy emails every single day. We like to protect our email address. So if they are sharing their email address with you, that means they trust you with their email address. They are the hot leads that are more likely to buy your product and services. And moreover, email is beyond Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or any other social media platform, because the audience that you have on all those social media platforms is not yours. Facebook or Instagram can literally kick you out. They can turn your account down for no reason, and that happens. That's a very common thing. But if you have your email list, you have your business up and running in no time. Another reason why you need to start email marketing is because let's say you are using Instagram to get leads for your business and you have 1,000 followers or whatever. If you are posting something, not every single one of them is going to see your post. Instagram is not going to do that. It's going to show it to only 20% of your followers. 25% to the max. But if you are using email marketing, all you have to do is write a single email. And even if you have 1 million people in your email list, every single one of them is going to receive your email in their inbox. That means you have more personal connection. When people are receiving your message in their inbox, you build relationship, you build connection with them. Since now you understood why you need to start email marketing, let's see how you can make money from just a single email address, even if you don't have any product to sell. What am I talking about? Well, I hear from a lot of people that they want to start their online business, but they don't have anything to sell, they don't have any product, they don't have any service. Good news, you don't need to have one. All you need to do is promote other people's products with keeping 50 to 75% of the commission. That is called affiliate marketing. All you have to do is find the product that you believe in, that you're more interested in, and join their affiliate program. You can find those products there are a lot of affiliate networks like clickbank.com, JVZoo, CB Engine. There are a lot of affiliate networks, or you can just simply Google the product that you want to promote plus affiliate programs. The most of the major brands like Nike, Puma have affiliate program. You just have to sign up for their affiliate program, and they will give you a special link. And when someone buys from that affiliate link, you will get your commission. Now, when you have your affiliate link, all you have to do is send the traffic to that link, and you make your commission. Now, I'm not talking about the traffic that you see here in the New York City. I'm talking about the customers visiting and buying the products and services that you're trying to sell. We all know that the traffic is the lifeblood of any business. There are many ways to generate traffic. You can do paid traffic or the free traffic. I'm not going to talk about the traffic methods in this video. Maybe that's the video for some other day. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video on the best traffic source. No matter what traffic source you are using, the first thing you should do is collect the email addresses. And the way you do is by giving them a freebie, because you cannot just simply ask someone to give their email address. You have to give them something in exchange. You can give them a free PDF report, an ebook, or a coupon code, whatever works better for your niche. Let's say you're selling a weight loss product. So what you can do is you can give them a free PDF report on a diet plan. So you can make a one-page opt-in where you're asking people to enter the email address. And as soon as they enter the email address and hit enter, two things are going to happen on the back end and on the front end. On the back end, they're going to receive the free PDF report in their email, and their email address will be saved in your autoresponder. And on the front end, when you're entering the email address or anything and you're hitting the enter, you wait something to happen, right? And what happens most of the time, what most of the businesses does it, they say, thank you for subscribing to my email list. Your PDF report is emailed out to you. But they are missing out on a huge point, a huge opportunity. What you can do now is you can redirect them from your opt-in page to from your affiliate link to the product that you're promoting. Now they have a chance to buy that product, and whoever buys it, you get the profit commission. And even if they don't buy it, You have the email address of the people who have visited your opt-in page. Now you can constantly communicate with them and remind them to buy the product. This is how email marketing works. This is how affiliate marketing works. And if you want to learn click by click how it works, and if you want to get over the shoulder training, I'll leave the link in the description of a 3-day business challenge. Go ahead, sign up for that program. It's amazing. You're not only going to learn how to make money from an email address, but you also going to learn how to quit your job and start your online business. And the things that you need to start your email marketing are the autoresponders. You cannot just simply use Google or Yahoo or whatever email you're using. You need an autoresponder, and the best autoresponder that I highly recommend is GetResponse. There are a lot of other autoresponders as well, like Aweber, MailChimp, and all those. But what I have noticed is GetResponse is the best. It has the best deliverability rate, and it is very easy to use. And I'm also leaving the link in the description. If you're interested, go check it out. And if you think you have received value from this video, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.